Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a clone of anyone using AI. So by the end of this video, you will not only know how to create an accurate digital replica, but you will also understand how to use this technology for everything from creative projects to professional applications. And the tool that we're going to be using for this is none other than Heygen AI. You will find a link to this tool below this video for your convenience. It is our affiliate link, so if you end up using any of their services, you'll be benefiting our channel at no additional cost to you. Moving on, if you're unfamiliar, Heygen AI is one of the most advanced tools for creating digital clones. From language translation to crafting avatars, it's packed with features that make the process accessible and intuitive. So again, go ahead and navigate to the website using the link below this video and then create an account. Once you've logged into your free account, navigate to the avatars section in the left hand side menu and then click on create avatar. Even the free plan allows you to create an avatar, so I'm going to click on that and then get started. From here, you get to choose one of two types of avatars. The still is basically when they create an avatar, but it has little movement and is in front of a single background. And the motion one is basically the avatar moving around, maybe doing some kind of movement. And while your avatar is taking a walk, it might change background, so from park to city and so on. I would say if you are creating a tutorial kind of video or you want a virtual spokesperson, then continue with the still one. But if you're looking to create some kind of external marketing video like ads, then the motion one may be the better option for you. After that, you will be getting some detailed instructions for you to create your own avatar to be as accurate as possible. For that, you can either prefer to choose the video instructions or the text instructions. In my opinion, the text instructions are easier to go through, and if you miss something, you can always go back and read it. But essentially, you submit a 2 to 5 minutes of footage. Make sure you use a high resolution camera or your phone camera works great. Well lit, a quiet environment, look directly into the camera and pause between each sentence. Click on next when you are ready, and then you can either upload the footage or you can just simply record with your webcam if you have a high quality one. Additionally, if you want to, you can check out an example footage right below to see what it would look like if you want it to come out as perfectly as possible. And then the last step of creating your own avatar would be to consent for it to being used by Heygen avatars. Once you have submitted your own avatar, you're actually going to end up with one that looks like this. Except it's going to look exactly like you or the person who gave you consent and recorded a video footage for them to be cloned. So all of the avatars that you're looking at right here, which you can also use to create your own videos, are actual people. And the process is very similar. Once you create your own avatar, you simply click on your own avatar and then choose the setting. So for example, let's say I'm making some kind of training or I want a professional presentation done by a female presenter. I might select this avatar right here and then choose the setting that I want. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And then if you click on the setting or the scene again, then you are going to get a small video that showcases the entire scene in action, so you get a good idea. From here, you can also choose the voice that best suits your video and the setting, and you can also customize exactly how she's going to sound like reading the script that you're going to provide. So after listening to the voice that you would like to have, you can also drop down the menu right here and then choose from original, excited, friendly, serious, or angry. So once you have decided on these things and have them in place, you click on the scene that you prefer and then click on edit look if you want to customize it even further. So as you can see from here, we can either change the view to background matting, but that requires a subscription, 4K resolution for the highest resolution possible. You can choose the shot to be either on half body, as you can see it on the scene right here, maybe a close-up if you want it to be more engaging, or if you want to have a voiceover with a little representation showing, you can choose the circle option. After that, you can change the way that she looks again, so the outfit from here you can choose whatever outfit you would like, or even change the way her face looks. So the face swap right here, you can use it to actually upload a shot of your face if it looks very clear, and it might work just fine. However, it's not going to be nearly as accurate as it would look like if you were to do the cloning itself. So if you'd like to change her face, you can click on the face swap option right here, upload an image that looks very clear and headshot. And then from there, you can see how the face swap would look like. So let's say, for example, I would want to change her face and click on this one. this is what it would look like after the face swapping. As you can see, it's not really well done and it kind of looks weird, so I'm just going to stick with the original face. Next, you can listen to the sound just to make sure that it sounds exactly how you want it to be. Maybe you can make it sound a little bit faster or slower according to how you would like it to be for the narration. And if everything looks great for the avatar, you can always save it as new, and then that way you could reuse it over and over. So from here, I'm just going to go back and then click on the scene again and then navigate to the Create with AI Studio. It's going to open this page right here where we can actually start creating and crafting the full video. Starting with the template, you can click on the template button right here and then choose from different representation options. Now that we have our avatar ready, the most important thing that we would like to change is the script. So click on the script option as you can see right here, and then you click inside the script right here to start changing it. Paste the script that you already have, and if you look at the timeline right here, it should be updating in real time, and you can even start it to see how it sounds like. So for example, let's say I'm going to use this script. I can see it on the timeline right here, and then I'm going to play some bits of it to see how it sounds like.
Hi there. I'm so glad you're here. Let me tell you a little about us. We're a team dedicated to delivering innovative solutions that make a real difference.
If you want to edit the avatar a little bit more, then you can easily click here and then change the view mode again as you navigate with your video. For some parts of the video, if you would like to, you can easily click on this button right here, and then it's going to remove the avatar's background. When that is done, you can upload your own or change them however you would like to. So for the sake of this video, let's say I want to remove the background and then upload a different one of my choosing. Let's say I want to record this while she's in an office, so I'm just going to upload this random picture and remove the background. You can also click on this preview button right here to see how your video is going to look like when everything is complete. Keep in mind that the avatar is not going to be animated, so she's not moving her hands, lips, etc. or even blinking, but everything is going to be applied once you hit the submit button. If you'd like to, you can go over to the text and add some text on top of your video. Maybe add some subtitles as your avatar is speaking, and then customize how they look like on top of the video. And lastly, you can add some elements to make your video look cooler. So if you want to add any stickers, maybe some frame, some background images or videos or shapes, and music if you would like to. But in my case, I just want the video to be a normal representation with a script, voiceover, and of course the avatar. So let's say I am content with my video right here. I might click on preview to make sure everything is great. And if it is, then I simply click on submit and wait on the video to see how it would turn out to be. So now that we have our AI generated video with the avatar ready, let's go ahead and check it out. Take a moment to review your work, paying attention to audio sync, quality, the avatar's expressions and movements, overall polish, and the realism. And if necessary, you can tweak your footage or audio and then re-render.
Creating cutting-edge digital tools or crafting strategies that spark growth. Everything we do is tailored to meet your unique needs. What sets us apart? It's our belief in building genuine partnerships.
Honestly, I'm very satisfied with my result. Even though this was a mock video, I can still get how this would all come up together and the possibilities of using it. So imagine a spokesperson delivering company updates without needing to step into a studio. Or for example, like us, a content creator producing multilingual tutorials effortlessly. Heygen excels in repetitive, professional videos where consistency and clarity are key. With that said, there are some limitations, as Heygen avatars work best in talking head scenarios where the subject faces the camera directly. More dynamic movements like side angles or exaggerated gestures may not translate perfectly. But again, this is an ever-evolving technology and these limitations will surely diminish. So this is what I was able to do with just the free plan. If you are impressed by what Heygen can do, then again, go ahead and navigate to the link below this video and check out the paid plans. So as for the plans themselves, then you can get some very affordable options, as you will see right here. And this all depends on how long you want your videos to be at and so on. For example, if you are looking to make up to 5-minute videos, export them in HD, and you want your videos to look as professional as possible, so none of that watermark stuff, then you may opt in for the creator plan at $24 per month when billed yearly or $29 per month when billed monthly. So while you can create unlimited videos, each one will only last about 5 minutes. However, you might need some presentation or a kind of video that would last up to 30 minutes. In that case, you would go for the team plan at $89 per seat per month. So you can customize and choose how many seats you want for this plan, depending on the size of your team. But when you get that, you would get videos up to 30 minutes, create unlimited videos and export them in HD. And this would include everything in the creator plan, plus 3 video avatars, 1 interactive avatar, multi-user workspace, and a bunch of other features. In my opinion, this is where this tool really shines. It's when you're using the team plan. You can in fact run an entire team's or brand's media using this plan. And finally, you got the enterprise plan that comes in at a custom pricing once you navigate it with the support. Upon getting this plan, you would get unlimited videos, no video duration max, and export up to 4K resolution. This is when you want to take things to the next level and take your AI generations very seriously. So if you want to unlock the full potential of Heygen, including the 4000 resolution exports, bulk processing, and advanced customization options, then you would want to discuss this with the support team. Investing in the right plan ensures that you're equipped to scale your projects as your needs grow. So definitely, if you are a small content creator or you don't have a team that you're working with, start with a free plan, make a couple of videos, and then if you want the watermark to be removed, you simply go with the creator plan. And that's really all about Heygen AI. We have just covered how you can create a realistic digital clone using Heygen AI. As you saw, the process to creating a video with a head figure is simpler than ever, but the results are still very professional. Thanks so much for watching this video. Definitely let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.